Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering down and removing batteries. This prevents shorts and preserves wiring. Once done, open the case with the correct screwdriver and organize screws by location so you can reassemble. You should look closely at the rubber belts, capstan, and heads for cracks, dust, or misalignment because these parts control tape movement. Make sure to photograph each step for reference. That saves time when parts look similar. If corrosion is present, note which contacts are affected for later cleaning. You now focus on replacing worn belts and performing precision cleaning because belt slip and dirty heads cause poor audio. First, remove old belts and measure or compare to a service chart. Install a tension replacement in the same routing to restore playback speed. Next, clean the heads, pinch roller, and capstan with 90% isopropyl on a swab, using gentle strokes to avoid scratching. Once done, apply a tiny amount of light machine oil to metal pivots only. Make sure no lubricant contacts rubber components. You reassemble the unit carefully, checking that gears mesh and belts sit in grooves with correct tension because alignment affects speed and function. Once assembled, insert a known good cassette and test play, fast forward, and rewind. Listen for wow, flutter, and dropouts. If sound is thin or speed varies, adjust the capstan bushings or consider motor replacement. You may need to re-clean heads or replace the pinch roller. If problems continue, swap the belt for a slightly different thickness or recheck electrical contacts and switches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.